Hi friends, my name is Maurya Sashikant Patil and I am today telling you a few lines about Tatya Tope. Tatya Tope was one of the freedom fighters who fought against the British. Tatya Tope is also known as Ramchandra Pandurang Yavalkar. Tatya Tope was born on 16 February 1814 at Yeola in Maharashtra. His father's name was Pandurang Rao and mother's name was Rukmabai. Tatya Tope was also one of the main revolutionaries in the revolt of 1857. Tatya Tope was very close to Nana Sahib, the adopted son of Peshwa Bajirao II. Tatya Tope, along with Nana Sahib, helped Rani Lakshmibai to protect Jhansi. By November 1857, Tatya Tope took forces to recapture Gwalior to Kanpur. Tatya Tope led an army of just 20,000 soldiers and forced the British to move out of Kanpur. Tatya was also good at guerrilla warfare tactics. He used this tactic to defeat British many times. In order to capture Kanpur, Tatya Tope was defeated by the British forces in 1859. He was honored in Raj Sabha in the court of Peshwa by presenting him with a gilded sword. After getting caught by British forces, Tatya Tope was executed on 18th April 1859. He was honored